A narrow, crowded city street bursts with life, vendors shouting over the rush of passers-by, a symphony of daily chaos. Zayn sits inside a small library, a haven of silence amidst towering shelves, sketching the world outside with keen eyes. Sarah enters, her quiet demeanor cutting through the library's stillness, an unmissable presence in the tranquil space. Zayn sketches Sarah, capturing her serene focus amidst the library's quiet buzz, lost in Allama Iqbal's verses. A single white rose, a silent offering, lands on Sarah's table, a splash of pure intent in her literary world. Sarah looks up, her eyes meeting Zayn's. A gentle smile blooms a silent dialogue that speaks volumes. The gallery hums with soft chatter as Sarah stands before her portrait, tears welling in her eyes. The painting shows Sarah by a window, reading, Zayn's shadow lurking subtly behind. "You have captured my soul on paper," Sarah whispers, as Zayn replies, "Your silence gave my colors a voice."